Good morning, everybody. This is Matador from freetradingvideos.com. It's 8:15 a.m. Eastern Standard Time, Tuesday, November 3rd, 2009. And after a good-sized sell-off on increasing volume, minor little rally on small volume, and then a good-sized sell-off on Friday. Yesterday, we put in a doji, kind of a high wave candle, with two significant tests of the 103 mark. And so this morning is a daily chart of the S&P 500 ETF, the spiders. Intraday now, you can see a gap down this morning. So oil futures are higher, but we're sort of falling under pressure, if you will, from the rest of the markets over the world as we kind of chase money around. And so here is this sell-off, a gap down, and a pullback all the way again to this 103 mark. So here we have this round number of 103 acting as some level of support. Run back up into resistance right where the gap occurred, and so that's the 104 mark, and not at all rare to see that as well. So again, round numbers like this, 103, 104, 105. Actually, it's kind of interesting, almost all the way back up, 106, 107, 107.50. They're all significant areas, at least for the broad markets right now. They're acting fairly well. So we'll be watching very closely how we try to put in a swing low, one that might stick instead of sell off. And the global concerns about whether the economy can sort of keep up this pace is in question. And you can kind of see that reflected here in the slowing momentum and the technical slowing into this overhead resistance, where lots of people aren't getting into the buying mood, if you will, because they see a lot of other people not probably wanting to buy right into the face of this, so they're kind of taking a break here. So anyway, a little 60-minute chart. We'll see if we can hold up how we take apart this gap. So here's the close. If you put any kind of regular data on there, we would be opening right down here at 103. So it's a interesting thing to watch this morning. Right now, it's important to note that gap down and be careful of it. See how that gap fills, and if we bounce along 103 and then break, then again, like I said yesterday in my evening video, next stop would be 102, another nice round number with a good swing low and a gap fill. And below that, 100, unless you hit the 100 MA first on the rising daily chart here. So those are going to be some significant support areas on the way south. If we do that, that would be representative of a 100% retracement of that great run-up we had, and that would be paving the way for a lower swing high. And that's kind of what we have here going on now. We have to take that apart before we can head higher. So good stuff. Watch the tick, trend, and VIX today, especially before going long or short, and trade well. I'll look forward to talking to you around noon and seeing how things are shaping up.